Welcome Burnout Romantics, I'm Yannick and you're not. Today I brought a tiny whoop to a 5-inch fight. A real Bando, you know. The kind of spot where paint peels faster than my video signal and broken glass crunches under your confidence. 3 freestyle pilots spinning cinematic donuts in the sky and me stumbling in like a lost whoop at a drone rave. They carve lines and I wobble through debris. They dive tiny gaps and I carefully snake through a door frame and pretend it was on purpose. Honestly, I was just trying not to eat drywall again.
If you want to smoke a cigarette that's...
But hey, somehow it worked. I hit a few lines and avoided most of the tetanus.
And I found that
Either way, I flew, and in this concrete structure of broken windows and overgrown rebellion, that's already kind of cool. They had a lot of power and grace, and I had attitude and 25 milliwatts. Honestly, I had an absolute blast with these 3 super cool pilots, 2 of which I met for the very first time. Super friendly guys. Would I do it again? Definitely. Would I do it better? Unlikely, but in the end it's all whoop love and punk hard. Catch you next time. Same blur, probably more chaos. Goodbye.